Hello fellow Jedi and welcome to this video on Jedi and Sith who were the ultimate masters of a lightsaber form. Form 1, Kit Fisto. Kit Fisto was a Narutolan from his home in the aquatic planet. As a Jedi Master, Kit Fisto's main focus was in the art of combat. Kit Fisto became a master of lightsaber form 1, Shi-Cho, the most basic form, although as the old adage goes, keep it simple, stupid. The simplistic nature of the form allowed Kit Fisto to rely on it during difficult circumstances. It was the mastery of this simple form that almost had General Grievous bested and allowed Kit Fisto to hold his own a little bit longer against the infamous Darth Sidious before he was ultimately struck down. Form 2, Count Dooku. With Count Dooku's heritage as a nobleman, it is only fitting that he becomes a master of Form 2, Makashi. Count Dooku was a purist when it came to lightsaber combat, and he would scoff at anyone that would use anything other than a single-bladed lightsaber. Using his famous curved-hilt lightsaber, this gave him an edge and allowed him to utilize Makashi to its fullest potential. Count Dooku's skill and mastery of the lightsaber almost rivaled that of Yoda himself. Form 3, Obi-Wan Kenobi. After seeing his master being cut down in the fight with Darth Maul, Obi-Wan took upon himself to master Form 3, Sorosu, vowing to not let something like that happen again. Obi-Wan's skill became so great he was able to fend off multiple lightsaber attacks at once. This became prevalent when Obi-Wan defeated the infamous General Grievous, who was known to use up to 4 lightsabers at once. Form 4, Yoda. With Yoda's small stature and extreme mastery of the Force, it only makes sense that he would be a master of Form 4, Ataru. Although he couldn't keep it up for long, that's what she said, Yoda was still considered the ultimate lightsaber duelist and was even undefeated by Darth Sidious in lightsaber combat. Form 5, Darth Vader. After Darth Vader's freak accident with the high ground, it left him with a mostly bionicle body. His new bionic limbs made him slow and cumbersome, which meant his reliance on the agility form 4 was no longer viable. Therefore, he adapted to master Form 5, which relied on brute strength, and his new bionic limbs gave him an incredible advantage. His mastery of Form 5 and his skill with the Force made him an almost unstoppable force. Form 6, Ahsoka Tano. Dual-wielding lightsabers is rarely seen as it requires a lot of skill, as Anakin found out the hard way in his duel with Count Dooku. That being said, if properly mastered in the case of Ahsoka, it can be a great advantage in a fight. Switching back and forth between normal and reverse grip, Ahsoka would dual-wield with a smaller lightsaber on her offhand. This technique allowed her to fend off formidable opponents like Darth Vader and General Grievous. Form 7, Mace Windu. The only known Jedi to not fall to the dark side while studying this form, the so-called Ferocity form was vicious and unpredictable. Mace Windu was able to overcome and master the form by adapting it to channel his inner turmoil into a mental forge, providing him with the passion to power his furious strikes. Mace Windu was also the only Jedi to defeat Darth Sidious in a lightsaber duel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you don't agree with my choices for Masters of the Form, let me know in the comments below.